In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change the language for Google Photos on your phone and on the web. On your phone, open the Google Photos app and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now open your Settings app, then tap System, and tap Languages and Input or Language and Region, depending on your phone. Add or move your preferred language to the top of the list. This sets your phone's main language. Close Settings, then reopen Google Photos. The app now follows your new device language. If the change doesn't appear right away, fully close the app and open it again. On your computer, open photos.google.com in a browser and sign into your Google account. Click your profile picture in the top right, then click Manage your Google account. In the Google account page, click the Data and Privacy or Personal Info tab, then find the Language section. Click Language, choose your preferred language from the list, and confirm your selection. Go back to Google Photos in your browser and refresh the page. The interface should now appear in the new language. Now you know how to change the language for Google Photos on both mobile and web. Save this video so you can follow along anytime you need it.